We're going to go ahead and finish the windshield on your Automoblox car, so I'm going to go ahead and open that. The last part, we're going to create the shape that actually goes down into the passenger base. So I'm going to create a sketch on this surface. I'm going to start by just drawing a rectangular shape and putting in the dimensions for that rectangle. And so this dimension here should be 0.68 inches. So I'll type that in. The outside to the overall width of the object should be 2.22. Type that in. The height to the bottom, 0.29. The height to the top, 2.26. And then we can go ahead and apply a fillet to the edges. The fillet should be 0.15. Go ahead and fillet all the edges. And then I'm going to use the offset tool to come here and offset to create the detail for the thickness of that wall. I'll dimension that. That thickness should be 0.05. So I'll type that in. And then we're going to need to create some construction lines to create the little notches that hold in the part. And so I'm going to click on construction. I'm going to make 2 vertical lines. Just go through the object. These are just going to be to reference points to help us draw the shapes that we need. And then I'm going to dimension those lines. And so I'm going to go from the outside edge to this line. And if I look at my drawings, it should be 0.95. And so I'll type that in. From the outside edge to this point, it should be 2.22. No, excuse me, it should be 1.94. 1.94. I'll put that in. And then the height of this line should be 1.28. When you have that done, you can go ahead and start creating the details for the little notches that go in there. So I'll unclick construction. I'm going to come in here and go from this point here. I'll go over 0.025. 0.025. Enter. I'm going to go down and I'm just going to click and drag a line down any distance because I have to dimension it from that inside point, 0.09 inches. This dimension should be 0.05. So I'll put that in. Then I'll finish by back to that object. I'm going to go ahead and trim these now. Notice when I try to trim this one, it won't allow me to because I need to delete the dimensional constraint. And then it'll allow me to trim those lines, and so I have enclosed area there. I'm going to go ahead and let you do the rest of those. They're exactly the same on the other 5 areas of your sketch, and then we'll continue. Okay, once you have all of those sections drawn, you can go ahead and finish the sketch. And we'll go into Extrude. We'll make sure we just select this portion, and we're actually going to want to extrude it up. On their distance, we're going to extrude it to the next thing, and it will go up to the top surface then when we do that. And we can go ahead and click OK. Then we're going to want to go ahead and click create another sketch, and I'm going to click that same surface that we just selected, and I can just finish it this time. And now I can extrude it the other way, and we're going to want to make this object go down 0.67 inches. So we'll go down 0.67. Click OK, and then we are finished with the windshield for the Automoblox car, so you can go ahead and save that.